True leadership isn't about authority. It's about inspiration, vision, and integrity. In this video, we explore what it truly means to be a leader, sharing practical lessons, timeless wisdom, and personal stories that will ignite your inner potential. Whether you're navigating relationships, career challenges, or your own self-growth, these insights will guide you toward becoming the leader of your life and beyond. Ready to step into your power? Hit subscribe for weekly inspiration, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Share your leadership story or favorite lesson in the comments below. Let's learn and grow as a community. What makes a leader? Is it a title, a position, or the ability to give orders? Number leadership isn't about commanding others. It's about guiding them, inspiring them, and most importantly, leading yourself first. I remember a moment from my younger years, an ordinary day that taught me an extraordinary lesson. I was working with a team on a challenging project. We were stuck, frustrated, and tempers were flaring. Everyone looked to the manager for guidance, but he said nothing. He simply listened. Then, with clarity and calm, he asked, "What's the real problem we're trying to solve?" That simple question shifted everything. We stopped blaming, started collaborating, and eventually found the solution. That day, I learned that leadership isn't about knowing all the answers. It's about asking the right questions. Leadership begins with self-awareness. Take a moment and ask yourself, am I clear about my values? Am I living in alignment with them? Because before you can lead others, you need to lead yourself. Think of leadership like a lighthouse. A lighthouse doesn't chase ships. It simply stands firm, shining its light. Your values are that light. When you stay grounded in them, you naturally guide others. You don't need a fancy title to lead. A parent is a leader when they teach their child kindness. A friend is a leader when they support you through hard times. Leadership is woven into our daily lives. It's in the choices we make, the words we speak, and the example we set. Here's something I've come to realize. A true leader listens more than they speak. Why? Because listening builds trust. It shows respect. And when you listen, you learn about others, about the world, and about yourself. But leadership isn't always about action. Sometimes it's about stillness, reflection. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in doing. But leaders understand the value of pausing, of asking, am I heading in the right direction? Because movement without purpose is just noise. Here's my challenge for you. This week, find one way to lead, not by authority, but by example. Maybe it's showing kindness in a difficult situation, or staying calm under pressure, or simply being fully present for someone who needs you. Small acts of leadership can ripple outward in ways you can't imagine. You don't have to be perfect to be a leader. You just have to be authentic, consistent, and willing to grow. Remember, leadership isn't about what you do when everyone's watching. It's about what you do when no one is. So will you be the lighthouse? Will you shine your light steady and true even when the waves are rough? Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this resonated with you, let's keep the conversation going. Share your story below, and let's inspire each other to lead with purpose.